U.S. Secretary of State Mike Pompeo has been widely denounced by domestic media for his egregious performance in office. On Monday, an opinion piece run by the Washington Post called him the worst Secretary of State in history. Deputy editorial page editor of the newspaper, Jackson Deal, pointed out that Pompeo has failed to fill dozens of senior positions at the State Department, and hundreds of career diplomats have left or been driven out in political purges. Deal wrote that the State Department's morale is at a historic, all-time low. According to surveys he cited, people who think senior leaders of the State Department did not maintain high levels of honesty and integrity grew by 34% between 2016 and 2019. He noted the reason might be that Pompeo has defied legal mandates from Congress, ordered staffers to carry out errands for himself and his family, and fired the State Department's Inspector General who was investigating Pompeo's violations.